Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Saif. I am from Allahabad Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my B.tech in mechanical engineering in 2019. After completing my B.tech, I was facing a lot of problem in getting a good job, and I was also interested in IT sector, and I wanted to get a job in IT sector in some good organization, but I don't know how. And one day one of my friend told me about Evision Technoserve. Evision is basically IT recruiting and consulting company. In Evision, I joined in a full day online job internship program, which was for the duration of 3 months. Within 3 months, I got offers from good MNCs, and I really thank Evision and each and every faculty of the Evision for giving me this opportunity. And each and every faculty of the Evision are very supportive. They conducted mock interview sessions on regular basis, which helped me facing the interview. And I really thank each and every faculty for giving me this opportunity and supporting me throughout this journey. Thank you.